In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start Dropbox, the Beginner 2025 guide, and walk you through each step to get you up and running. Let's get started by visiting the Dropbox website. Open your preferred web browser and type in dropbox.com. Once the page loads, you should see an option to sign up prominently displayed. Go ahead and click the sign up button. You'll now be directed to a form where you need to enter some basic details to create your account. Fill in your first and last name, your email address, and create a secure password. If you prefer, you can also opt to sign up using your Google or Apple account to make the process even smoother. This can be a convenient option if you want to streamline your login credentials across different services. Once you have your account sorted, it's time to pick the right plan for you. Dropbox offers a variety of plans tailored to different needs. If you're just getting started or only need limited storage space, the free plan, known as Basic, might be your best bet. With 2 GB of storage, it gives you the basic experience of Dropbox without any financial commitment. However, if you find that you need more space or additional features, you can opt for one of their paid plans like Plus, Family, Professional, or Business. Each of these options offers larger storage capacities and advanced features that can be very useful. After selecting your plan, the next crucial step is to verify your email address. Dropbox will send you a confirmation email. Make sure to check your inbox and click on the verification link. This step is important to fully activate your account. By verifying your email, you ensure your account is secure and confirm your login details, which is key to accessing your Dropbox without any hitches in the future. It's worth mentioning that during this process, as you make these selections and verify your information, you may be presented with a few tutorials or guided tours. Dropbox does a great job of introducing new users to their platform through helpful videos and guides, so feel free to explore these resources to understand the ins and outs of using Dropbox effectively. By following these steps, you'll have your own Dropbox account set up and ready to use. Whether you're looking to store files securely, share documents with colleagues, or simply want a cloud-based solution for your personal files, Dropbox is an incredibly versatile tool that can cater to a wide range of needs. So, go ahead, try it out, and see how Dropbox can simplify your digital life. Thanks for joining me today, and happy organizing!